I know you are here because you are interested in seeing how I put my hair up in this messy bun. I'm gonna get it right for y'all. So let me show y'all how I look in the back. These are crochet braids that I put in probably about 3 weeks ago, and I redid the front of my hair in feed-in braids. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how I did this updo. So if this is something that y'all interested in watching, then y'all stay tuned to the video. And we are back. I took the bun down just so I could show y'all how to put it back up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just section the front of your hair off. So like these first 3 braids on this side, you want to just take them out, right? And let them hang towards the front of your face. And I do that because we do have alopecia, and we want to lessen the tension on our edges as possible. And I'm going to do that to the other side as well. So like these 4, yes, you want to just take those out. You don't want to tug on them or try to put them up in a ponytail, because I just braided these today. They're a little tight, so in order to not put any more stress or damage on your hair, please go ahead and section those out. So what I'm doing is gathering all my hair up, and I'm bringing it towards the front or to the top of my crown area. And I'm just going through and making sure all the hairs are stretched and they're straight. So this is what I'm going to do. You want to start by just raking your hair up to a high bun. And once I have all my hair gathered in this very high bun, and I feel like everything is straight, what I want to do is pinch the hair in a ponytail. Just grab it all in a ponytail. And you want to start by grabbing the base. There's going to be a lot of hair now. It's really, really thick. And just start loosely twisting the hair like this. And as you're twisting, hold this part, and that way you can form the bun. So start wrapping the hair around just like this. With these loose edges, go ahead and twist them tight enough to hold the bun without like a ponytail holder or a rubber band. Go ahead and spin it, because I like my swirl to kind of be in the front. And now if that's what you have, is the first step that you have is the high bun positioned. We are not done. What you want to do is take these edges that you took out, and we're going to start with just these 2 or these 3. And we're going to crisscross them. So I'm going to press the hair up like in a smoothing motion. And then I'm going to crisscross these 3 braids. And that's going to help hold that little puffy area up that was kind of hanging down in the back. All right, so now we have those 3 wrapped around. We're going to finish with the last 2. Now this is the problem area right here. You don't want to create any tension in this area. So what I like to do is just hold the braid and then smooth the hair in the direction that I want it to go. Not pulling on the braid, just smoothing it. That way it won't pull your edges out. We want to keep our edges, okay? And then just wrap those around your bun and tuck them at the base. Doing the same thing to this side. Go ahead and hold your braids, and we're going to crisscross them in the back. So we had these ones going this direction. We're going to cross these ones going the opposite direction. And I like the little crisscross effect that it gives. Just adds an extra definition to the hairstyle. Really, really cute. I'm just going to tuck those up underneath. Spin that bun just a little bit. Kind of spread it out. It's supposed to be a messy bun, so it's not going to be super, super uniformed. Don't have to be. You can pull some of these out to create the messy look. There you have it. Now you can go ahead and secure these with bobby pins. I do have a few sitting here that I will put in. And just pin those down, just to make sure the hairstyle ain't going nowhere. You can adjust these. See, they're very loose. You don't have to worry about it being a lot of tension on your hair. So this is a great hairstyle for all my alopecia ladies out there. You can still do cute hairstyles with low manipulation. And you don't want to, like I say, remember not to add tension. So I'm going to put a bobby pin here because that braid was kind of falling down. You want to keep that in place. And this is what your finished hairstyle should look like. A high messy bun with crochet box braids in the back and feed-in braids on alopecia edges in the front. If you want to see how I did these edges in another video, I do have that video. I'm going to post it. Hopefully I can link that video to this video, so you can just go down to the bottom in the description and click on it and watch how I put these braids on my non-existing edges and made it look like I had a head full of hair. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Trying to put y'all on to something new to the channel. Yeah, go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Please thumbs up this video. Go ahead and share it to other ladies that you know may have hair problems or no edges, just like me and some of the ladies here on this channel. And go ahead and please drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all felt this video. All right. And I'll be doing more like this in the future to come. So you should have more boho or faux lock videos on here. But we ain't got there yet. So one step at a time. But let me know what y'all think about this particular video down below. And I will catch y'all again in my next one. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. See y'all later.